Hello guys, welcome to the fourth lecture of the course. In this video, I'll show you how to write blogs on medium.com. So here we are on medium.com. So first you have to sign in. Already have an account on medium.com, so I'll just sign in. If you don't have one, you'll just have to create one. So I'll sign in with Google. It's a pretty easy way to log in Medium. So it's logging me in. Just wait. Yeah, so we are on the main page. Now just go to your profile like this, your profile icon, and click on write a story, and it will take you to a page like this, and here you have to write your blog. So we'll start with writing a title. So this is a tutorial for the technical writing course, so I'll just put the same tutorial for technical writing. So in Medium, there is an option to give a subtitle to, like a title and a subtitle. So in the subtitle, you can give a short description of what is your blog, like what are you going to write or what are you going to write for, these kind of things. So like I'm writing, so this tutorial for technical writing was in English. So if I write in English, or let's just say I write the name of the organization, the Asha Akanksha Foundation, and I can make this subtitle. So see, that's a tutorial and a subtitle. So the sub this is a Akanksha, yeah. So the subtitle is just a short description, or what are you writing for, or what is the context? Is it fiction? Is it a thriller? You can also write that in subtitle. Okay. So from here, just press enter, and from here you'll have to start writing your blog. So now so in the second lecture, you must remember that I said always add an image at the top of your blog. So this is the top of your blog, and you add any image which is relevant to your content. Okay, so I'll just take any photo. I'll go to pictures, like downloads, and take any picture. Like if I take this photo, okay, and I took this photo from Google Images. So I'll just say that it's taken from Google Images, so that there's no, because Medium is very serious about copyright issues. So you always have to give credits to the photo. Okay, if you have clicked the photo yourself from your own camera, so you can just write photo by the author or screenshot by author. But if you're taking someone else's image from any website like unsplash.com, Medium prefers unsplash.com, so you have to give credits to the person who uploaded that image on that website. Okay, that's very important. I'll show you unsplash.com. It has all kinds of images and everything. So let's just say if I take this photo and I want this photo on my blog, so I'll just download it. Okay, download it, remove it by clicking on the image and just press delete on your keyboard. Now I'm adding this image. Now how to give proper credits? Okay, so you have to give credits like this. First, see who uploaded it. It's Isaac Garcia. Okay, so I'll write photo by Isaac Garcia, unsplash.com. And now we'll embed some links. Okay, so go to the author's profile, copy the link, highlight Isaac Garcia, embed the link and paste it here. Now the link of the image. Okay, so this is photo I paid and blah blah. So copy it, highlight unsplash.com, embed this link and paste. Okay, so this is how you give credits on your photo. If you use any other website not unsplash.com, you have to give credits like this, or you can just write Google Images. That has worked for me, but don't do this. But don't do that. Okay. Uh, by any way find the name of the author or find the name of the website that owns the rights for the images. Okay, because copyright issues are very serious on medium.com, they can block your account for this. Now you write anything like I'm making this tutorial, don't do this, don't do that. So you see this red mark, this is by Grammarly, and Grammarly makes your life very easy. Okay, don't do this, don't do that. So Grammarly also suggests you everything. If you want to write a title like in bold letters, so like title, a subtitle, like the title is this, and you're giving a heading. Okay, heading, not title, heading, and you want to make this bold, so just press B. If you want to make it larger, press capital T. Okay, so this is your heading. Here goes your content. You can add more images if you want. Again, don't forget to give the credits. Okay, and now if you want to embed any links, so if you write something like this, that find this news here, so whatever the news link is, just highlight the here, copy the press the that chain icon and paste the link. Like for example, I said news.com, like fs6s, like any common link, and this will get embedded in this. So this is a nice way to embed links in Word so that it looks good. Like find this news here and clicking on here, it will take you to the news link or any other link you want to embed. Okay. Next is you can add links by this option too. Let me do it again. This double arrowed icon. Press this and paste any paste any link here. Like example Twitter. So let's just go to Twitter and get any post. It is saying me to log in. Yeah, leave this. I'll just go to Elon Musk Twitter handle and we'll try to take one of his tweets. Okay. Where is Elon Musk Twitter? Yes, here it is. Okay, it's public, so we can see it. Let's just go to this tweet. Copy the link of this tweet and paste it here. And see. So this looks very good. Okay, so this works for many websites like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It works for all. Yeah, yes, it works for all. And see how good it looks. Like if any person comes to your blog and sees this, it will see yes, it's looking very nice. Let's give a like to it or anything else. I don't know. So yeah, so it's a very good thing. Like this is a very great feature by Medium to embed links like this too. Also, if you want to break a line between two paragraphs, like say this is paragraph 1 and this is paragraph 2, so you want a break, like a line break, so that you are saying that yes, so this paragraph is about something else and this paragraph is about something else. So you want to make a line between them. So just click this icon and this will like just divide your blog in two parts. If you want, you can use more than one. Okay. Now what else do we have? Yeah, this option is to embed any Vimeo or YouTube links you want to add any songs or anything, or again any Twitter post. So this works fine. Yeah, so this button. Okay. Any video links or any audio links, it will play just fine. You can try it out yourself. Uh, I don't know. I don't have any YouTube video to show you now. So that's pretty much about it. So again, don't forget to give headings, subheadings in your blog, headings with headings that are of length capital T, like capital T. By capital T I mean this, and subheadings like this, small t. Yeah. So see the length. So heading should be of this length, and subheadings should be of this length. So that's how you write a blog on your Medium. And to publish this online, just press on this publish button. I will not publish this because this is just, I don't know what it is. So I'm not going to publish this right now. So, but when you write your blog, just publish it by just clicking it here and it will publish. Yes, on clicking on publish, it will ask you to add some tags. So these tags are like they are like you can like take an example. Like if you're writing about a like a technology, it's a technical writing course, so we'll always talk about technology. So if it is a technical blog, just you can add tags like technical writing. So it has 2.2 thousand followers. Like 2.2 thousand followers follow this tag. So all the people who are following this tag will get a notification or your story on their Medium homepage that this article is just published in a technical writing tag. So you must read it. Okay. So this helps your blog to reach more and more people. So perfect and good tags always make your blog receive good traffic. Okay, and that's a very good thing if you are receiving a good traffic. By traffic I mean more and more people are seeing it, your blog is reaching to many parts of the world, to many people. Okay, so you can add up to 5 tags, write anything technical writing, programming, all tags should be relevant to your blog. Otherwise people won't see your blog, they will just open it and see like this is not what the tag said, and they will just go back, and that's not a good thing. Okay, so add any 5 tags, and now if you publish, this will go online, and everyone can see your story. Okay, so this is all for this blog. In the next video I'll show you how to increase traffic on your blogs, on your written blogs. The tags things was one of the steps to increase the reach on your blog, but I will show you some more steps that has helped me personally to increase traffic on my blogs, and that will help you too. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in next lecture.